You might be thinking, what are we doing in my bathroom? So you may have heard the term dilation station. So dilation is where the cervix opens from 0 to 10 centimeters. As the contractions happen, the baby's head gets pushed onto the cervix, and that is helping the cervix dilate. So what does that have to do with sitting on a toilet in the bathroom? Think about the mental connection to your body. When you sit on the toilet, for most people, we can relax. Your shoulders relax, everything just kind of releases, especially the pelvic floor. Your body knows how to open to let urine and feces out. So we have that mental connection to relaxation, relaxing the pelvic floor. That's going to be really important for birth. As your baby is going through the pelvis, it meets the pelvic floor, and we want that pelvic floor to be able to yield, not tight. So that's where the toilet comes in. We also can think about when we're in a bathroom, for the most part, it's a small, secluded place. So if the person that's birthing is feeling a lot of hecticness around them, bright lights, lots of people, escaping to the bathroom can be that place for grounding and a little solitude. When we think about labor, we want to create a space where the person laboring can feel really safe and supported without disturbance, without bright lights and people and conversation. So the bathroom may be that perfect place. So that's going to help you into your birth flow state. Let's also talk about laboring on the toilet. So here we are in our quiet place. Everything's relaxing, your jaw, your shoulders, your pelvic floor is relaxing. And then we can help the pelvis open even more. So let's just take a quick look at the pelvis. So in earlier labor, we want to have the legs turned out. So you can sit here, legs turned out, maybe rocking back and forth. That can help open the sacrum, that can open the pelvis, the top of the pelvis. Then as things progress and that laboring person really wants to go inward to that quiet, introverted state, again, bathroom's a great place for that. So here's where we can have a yoga block, a couple books, stool, and when we take one leg on that yoga block, we're creating asymmetry in the pelvis. So I'm making a little bit more space, and that's also helping the pelvic floor get a little bit released. So you could do 5 contractions with one leg lifted, change to the other leg, 5 contractions with that leg lifted, and then you could have maybe your birth partner in front that you're leaning on, or we can flip around, straddle the toilet, still have your block under one foot, and then you can rest against the toilet here. What a great way for the person that's birthing to have some massage in the lower back, or a hot water bottle on their lower back from someone in the support team, as well as an opportunity to rest. So especially if you're tired, this can be a great place to retreat to. Soften, open, breathe, reconnect. Years ago, I think it was early in my doula practice, I had a client that said she 100% is going to want to have a lot of hands-on massage. And what we actually found was during the labor, she didn't want to be touched. She wanted to sit on the toilet. She turned around, just like I showed you, face the wall. We put a pillow there for her, and she had myself on one side, her partner on the other side. She didn't want anyone talking to her or touching her. She just wanted to sit on the toilet with her folks, her people next to her, knowing that she was in that safe, quiet place. We labored there for a good half an hour, and things really progressed. So, dilation station, try it out. Let me know what you think.